TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Murigereria Soko TV no mogorobonde omuya weritukeriga lya kana umutinyo gatano na gatatu mwaka gwechile fuibere 25 na ribo no kugera kwane kuna kwagendero bya aseri tukorigima asekerekemo na boiga somugoroba obono na ndito 10 na sembeo Chinsa echiga Ikomi cha Afrika ya mochenga kyoka nyoramo ya asenchira yo bwenge buna berga kwarigani wa irikwene kibuna naye kwe monyore aliagendera toka ganesema emogoroba ya bono tusanga sobwamo wetra senchira yo mutanda wekerera sesemu ya YouTube Soko TV na mbemo wasiliano nyawetere insabo Eriane Ishmael Mogere. Asumu chakano mugoroba bono asege koro getari kia botambe kuru asensemo yendereti egotoke ward ya Bukimonge nsemo ya bunge ya Bumachoge borabu nige ng'ombe ya ibura osi iboire mori ebwata amagorabere emori yue ngare nige bwate amagorabere amagega ase ayuabera bosyo asogete ake igo asogetake asogetake igo egento geichanirie amate eyo na kubatiga bakumetie kiagera mbanya korora gento kengabonekyo buneko bwate
era na bisieri ndo mwana umuroro ko rumoteiri bari Bumachoge magenje enkana oga igandereti mugakanya kundi nyanumba egena kia kone narorire getanga ni kuruna kitego mochigoyo egetanga ni kegima nanyorire emori etabwati magoronsi ibwata magura magega ayabo sitayo gakubete nande moriene yabana chintakana ndigeire yarenge nyina bana nanjense meretingo ngonyerere chintakana chiane wona yambere ile munda yambere ile wona enkubura maneno ore iguru nero ntomirete amangana ayo goje bugonerende nakonyete ng'ombe ne mori tingo manyenjira tataranyirende wono no gugumia abantu mbaje taba wono ngasinyuma omokonyi ngani ngogonkonya ngora nkonya abantu bamindu ngora nkonye gente ketinana gokerora nenyora amaguru ntonye bekere kende etenene ne mori yarenge ngiya ebwate areti nanje nasemereti nga wono iga nyina bana nere bono ngora to sendare wono oko semeri kwane endo tinga gwa kwa ngocherete
asamalietane Wilfred Okali nyandieka kurweke nyoroki endereti eskuru endereti aiga nabo igo Bukimonge ward Bumachoge borabu ekina kieko negetangani ya korekanira sintu balitu akirigereire na ntwe twabete no gukumia soko nyorege konekenga buneke iga na ndege nto nchenda asabenke linge nto mwanya bantu ntuto kurigereria totanya saye ngutungare mo utungubwa ye muntu yora borusi magoso otatiga bono rende kuyaikire ko benge nchenga buneye intu abanyene turarigereria nga wandake nsemende gusekende kiana koba kenga buneke because support ne ringa niye gusirwa magora abosyo yamanya kunyara kogonga okogonga mbuye kogonga na edaliri ende tiana koba se ng'ombe yiga turatenga usiana konyora ng'ombe kerema usire nchira chinde nere mori ya entangani ya chitigoto gukumyo kona senke yiga nabo iga se family yiga eng'ombe yenere buna nero nyina bana yeka nere ne tabana batigaita sumucho iga chintakana so bwenge nandi nero yalingo gosemeria sebale asokonyora ukuya na gwe support kimaisha.
Asense muyende munachibi na omonene imeyense Mother Ikomi nigaikiranire ime county ya Kisii asabaga kuigora ekigambiro ki municipality ya Kisii ekyukira chiko konya mono asubugaya ni webi na ebikebike no muyega ogendrete asekigambiro kenene gya Kisii oyo oikiranwa nababwateni akuru asekigambiro mugabara bwe county ya Kisii policy mbarati amona bandi nonyana bo nigo mugabara arati abo bago chicha gose bago chegwikirania emirime yo wakolera ekene na kwerusanania n'obukurumi.
Wacha niseme juu ya hawa wazee wetu kabla sijaanza. Congratulations. Kwa sababu nyinyi mmekuwa kiegezo muhimu ya jamii. Lakini leo mmefungua afisi za alternative justice system hapa, ambayo pia itakuwa municipal court. Ninyi wazee ambao mtahudumia haya mambo, mkumbuke mko karibu na shirika moja la serikali linaloitwa EACC. Najua tabia mbaya inakuanga ngumu sana kuishi. You know, it fades slowly. Tafadhali mambo ya hongo, bribery, corruption lazima isimame. Msikubali iingie. Eti kwa sababu wewe ni mzee, hauna pesa ya dawa. Serikali kuu imeamua kwamba kuna pesa ya wazee. Kwa hivyo ninyi mmejitolea kufanya kazi hii kwa hiari. Mfanye kwa heshima kuu ili muungane. Na kabla mjaanza kusuluhisha masuala ya dispute, nataka mmalize dispute mko nayo. Najua kati yenu mko na vikundi viwili. Kuna elders, kuna mwanyegetinge. Si ndio? Najua haya amtaki Chief Justice ajue. Chief Justice want to say this. Hawa lazima wakae chini kama wazee. Unajua mdegama hata kama mimi ni kijana mdogo. Kuna hekima kidogo, nataka kwamba wale ambao ni mwanyegetinge pamoja na elders mkae chini. Hamkutarajia niseme haya, na lakini mnajua mimi ni lazima niyaseme. Kwa sababu mimi ni nini? Ni gavana. Mtu amekonya, anakamatwa yeye, anapelekwa kwa police station hapa. Kesho yake anapelekwa kwa municipal court, anapigwa fine, kama sivyo anaenda kwa prison hapa. Anakaa siku 2, anafagia, anarudi nyumbani. You know, also we don't want to congest
Hapa bwatani ba bunge la mwananchi asensemo ya Isita ward ya itibensemo ya bunge ya North Mugrango mie county ya Nyamira nigo bagendere kuboria barayi barobisi baikirania magendero ao asu mwaka oyo iga bwo mwerio bagukwana ekerekyo nigo baborire magendero y'echipara amache ogosire byombe byabasaye gati yebinde binyare bigwikiranirwa asinchira ere yabene
Parnale gukonera mono ni chipara ekyo mwezi nana igora chingeje tisa unembura yagire gotuga toigweta pale akanda gatumika amaguta ya 20 km gotogora chichai chia bande nemete tabegeti no moro otigire chipara chikonie cha para ya kurusinda ukinyabukiani takirere munande be kwa moro muyaleta ya abalemi bachi gusiki kianda kuye cha
gento kende machinarare mirige tangwa andakare mukamwarani andakare mu China ibaga barayune ino barayimo korta chipaibu mutirimbo kya machi bakagaiga center mwete ya machi ande na chiskuru muno chiskuru nyaukiani chibwate machi nyamuru te bwate machi kenyoro mbabwate machi actually no nyamwanja ni mbabwate machi lakini machi no ara around the areas within chiskuru asirenire iyo bona ino barayi nale gotebana moja mo ngakechi campaign moja gotena o mara na korete kene onye tokorete gento actually to base kuwesa chinga kichao ekiora rete ne kitoraria lakini ya ento kubato kunyere chinga kiech
ndaten kwanere issue ya personal assistance was it a personal aid yo mweshimiwa onde wensi orase ekerogo kende gyonse ase in office within a county constituency na a ward. One, we are requesting you omonto korokwe korende PA igago portray your character na everything you are to the public na what 50% influence as avan inji the way he handles them PR na kida the public relationship negen tawene to embrace
ina kora mwansi ndo bens ward ora amwe kora sie para ate yo consider pale kurusinda ende nyamore tiwasoka mantarora. The reason being, if I read your calling, you know, the son, I want to wait along and over with the rag. Say, no, she wait to Havana, which is school, Nangaki and Orojan on Amarid and our. One I got ready, I'm a query amended, good say, and a more remain. The reason being, around the way this party decided to get them by when I work session on this in a guitar.
Ansemo ya gesiasa yalinda mwananchi nigorero baikira service yo muriki we byama bya gesiasa eri kurigereria umuruberi bokorikia linda mwananchi magega yokonyora mangana kurwa buritangani bunate konyarekana korikiwa maiga yege karo no muriki we byama bya gesiasa nigobono baenekiwe bunana bolinda mwananchi konyara kurikiwa ni erieterio.
Tuna furaha kuu kama wazee wako wa kijiji wanaofanya kazi mashinani kwa kututambua siku ya leo rais wetu wa Jamhuri ya Kenya.
It is now 63.
As principals and members of Linda Mwananchi, we came here this morning to engage with the Registrar of Political Parties regarding the reservation and registration of our name, Linda Mwananchi Movement. You will recall that we had made an application for that name, and we received a letter declining the registration on account of public interest. So we came to engage with the registrar on the interpretation of the law, in particular Section 8 of the Political Parties Act. We must say that the registrar received us very well, and we have had very cordial and extensive discussions with him. There is no reason to refuse the registration of the name Linda Mwananchi Movement. And we have agreed that he will now review his decision, and before the end of the week, he will get back to us with his final decision on the matter.
Asense moyende abagaka kurwa ebinyoro imejense kurwa sti county chonse merongene na isano na ibere nigorero bariganiwa no murai bwensi William Ruto ase nyombene na yobora bwensi Nairobi abwase bono bagokere mirubiro ye serikali gose serikali ebwate guchiase bare na ase okubabwatani ase obokoreri abangi babo ase nkwana yabo nigo bagokere okwenyoro kwabo buna abagaka bebinyoro ase batebere kurwense ya Kenya yanyora tobosibore Ruto nere obero murai yomotangani kubainyora ase baereire guchekera kubwaterana na serikali irikorwa obokoreri.
As we entrust you with greater responsibility, the government will also stand with you. And beginning this month, beginning today, every village elder will receive.
Tuna furaha kuu kama wazee wako wa kijiji wanaofanya kazi mashinani kwa kututambua siku ya leo rais wetu wa Jamhuri ya Kenya.
It is now 63 years down the line. No president, the fourth, the fifth one is Daktari, who could remember that there are people on the ground. That is the village elders. To reach the State House is very wonderful. I'm surprised. God willing, if you can give us 2, 3, 4 hours, we go around, we see. We've never come here.
We stand here as elders because we have been recognized in an institution that is related to you. This institution is the presidency. The presidency does not face anyone. It faces the whole republic. It is 360 degrees. 360 degrees you go around, you see the presidency. So, all along, the presidency has been put in such a way that it is placed at a corner that some of us, and unfortunately, my name is Wajiko. Some of us, the Wajikos of this country, have never known what exactly the presidency is about.
Mimi nimefanya kazi kwa administration ya marais karibu watatu. I have now 18 years serving as a village elder. Lakini nashukuru serikali yako kwa kututambua. Jambo lingine ni kwamba tunashukuru wewe rais kwa sababu you are really a transformer to our nation. Umeonyesha hari ya kuweza kufanya kazi katika serikali na kudumisha amani katika nchi hii yetu ya Kenya.
Asense moyende abagaka kurwe binyoro ime yose abagaka kurwa ebinyoro ime yense kurwa chikaunti chonse merongena na isano na ibere nigo bono gochakira omutienyi oyego gatano na gatatu barachi gochaka konyora engeria ayari gachiro magega yo kwariganirwa no murai wense William Ruto ase nyombene ne yo murai wense Nairobi abwa so murai wense abaene keiri barabwo gochia konyora engeri kiro omutienyi na kubobwatania ase oburai no bokoreri.
As we entrust you with greater responsibility, the government will also stand with you. And beginning this month, beginning today, every village elder will receive a stipend. Hii sio bei ya uzalendo wenu. Uzalendo hauna bei. Hii ni ishara yetu kama serikali ya heshima ya taifa letu la Kenya kwenu na kutambua mchango wenu katika mambo ya uongozi ya taifa letu. I say this is neither payment for the patriotism you have demonstrated over many years, because patriotism cannot be bought or compensated. This is also not the price of your service, because your service is priceless. It is the recognition of a grateful nation and a practical support for the work you perform every day. As the nation honors you, I ask you to honor the trust of the people. Serve every Kenyan fairly. Serve every Kenyan and reject corruption. Protect the vulnerable. Promote peace. Defend public resources and uphold integrity. Remember that your authority does not come from government alone. It rests upon the confidence of your community. Guard that trust carefully, because it is your greatest weapon and your greatest strength.
Wikeraga bomwanchumo rigereria na twikera mwari wa mayase enchira yobunge Chinsa Ikomi ensa ya mani Chinsa isato edina achiko yaretera ase obwagare na so bumebuna abasake baitu gendera teko yarigania ase omogoroba obono gendera kubwatia mero birende yatigeire ase omogorobo yiga wikeria nkeriana Ishmael Mogere.